Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we will add a script to our actor scene that introduces the movement logic. Alright, let's add a script to our skier scene. Save it in Scripts, Actors. We're going to start off the script with some onReady vars to get access to our character sprites. At onReady var, male sprite equals male sprite. At onReady var, female sprite equals female sprite. Next, we'll add a constant for our turning speed. Const turn speed equals 3000. In our physics process function, we're going to clamp the player to the screen. This will prevent the player from being able to move the skier outside of the screen. Position.x equals clamp. Pass in position.x, 16, and 164. Now we need to create a function that will handle the player movement. We will also handle the skier animation here for now. Let's type func move player, pass in delta, var direction, colon equals input dot get axis, and then we'll pass in UI left and UI right. We're using the shorthand typed assignment operator here to ensure that direction always stays a float type. This will help a bit with performance and error handling. Let's type if direction velocity.x equals direction times turn speed times delta. Male sprite dot frame equals 1. Female sprite dot frame equals 1. Else velocity.x equals move toward, pass in velocity.x, 0, turn speed times delta. Male sprite.frame equals 0, female sprite.frame equals 0. And then we'll call move and slide. After creating this function, we can go ahead and call it in physics process. Type move player and pass in delta. Okay, let's go ahead and test out the scene on the computer. First, we'll have to instance our skier into the level 1 scene. Let's go ahead and position the skier in the center. Cool, seems to be working just fine. But if we were to test out the scene on the phone, the player isn't moving. This is because we haven't set up input compatible with mobile devices yet. Now we need to create our mobile controls, which will be super easy. Let's create a new canvas layer scene. And rename it to Mobile Controls. We're going to add 2 touchscreen buttons to the scene. Call one left and the other right. Since we're making a mobile game, these buttons will need to be invisible, so we will simply use collision shapes as our buttons. Let's save mobile controls in Scenes, UI. In the properties for the left button, under Shape, select the rectangle shape, and for size, set X to 74, Y to 320. Now let's set the position of the button to be on the left side of the screen. Under Transform, Position, set X to 37, Y to 160. In the properties for the right button, set the same shape and size. Under Transform, Position, set X to 143 and Y to 160. Lastly, for action, we will set the input event action that will be triggered when the button is pressed. We're going to use the default event actions for these controls. For left, set action to UI left. For right, set action to UI right. Okay, let's go to our level 1 scene. And instance our mobile controls into the scene. Now the scene can be tested on the phone as well. Nice. We now have our player script in place with some basic movement. In the following video, we will add an obstacle generator.